Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view the list of scheduled money transfers on your HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Click on Money Transfer from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Under the Schedule tab, you will find all the money transfers you have scheduled. This is how you can view the list of scheduled money transfers on your HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.